Hi guys, today I will show you how to how to format a hard disk and install gparted on your Ubuntu installation on Linux. We're using Ubuntu Linux 20. You can of course use 22 or 24, they are about the same. First we have to update all the repositories and all the software on Ubuntu by running sudo update. Now we have to install gparted. Gparted is already installed, so it should appear. But unfortunately it does not. The reason it does not appear is because it's not installed as with a graphical interface. It's only installed for a command line, and that's not good. Let's see what we can do to fix this. Like you see, it's already installed, but it's not working properly. We will remove it. And we will install it again. That's great. Now let's see if it will appear. Yes, it has appeared. It takes a couple of moments for gparted to actually load. You may experience problems if you are using an old hardware, of course, but it should be working without any issues. It still does not appear, therefore we will do the following. That's great. Now as you can see, we select the hard disk that we want to work with from here. Make sure you don't accidentally format your hard disk, and then we need to select what to do with it. First we unmount the hard disk. And then we can format it. We can format it to something if we want to, or we can delete it. And after we delete it, we can make a new partition. Make a partition table. This is BIOS, or you can use GPT, depending on what you want. Please visit us and check our shopping assistant. We will give you great deals on all of the products commonly used, and our website is sa.free.bg.